Hey folks, this is a new project I just bought. I've got a pretty strange idea for what I want to do with it. This guy was taking this to the scrapyard and gonna just get scrap price for it. I like it because of the bed. It hasn't been touched. He said it's been sitting in the weeds since 2009, but I just couldn't let it go to scrap. Gave him $1,000 for it, the whole truck. It hasn't been run. Hasn't had anything hardly done with it. Probably had a long life to begin with, but the ignition switch is missing out of it, and the batteries. So I'm going to see what it'll take to get her running again. As you can see, they picked a lot of stuff out of it, but I'm not too concerned about that. I've worked on a lot of international, so this doesn't scare me too much. It's got the V8 444 or 7.3, I guess it is. Doesn't look like they've stolen any of the parts off the motor. The oil is good. Right at the fill line. Antifreeze still in it. So I got a strong feeling this thing's going to run. Running on all cylinders, but it's running. We'll see if it clears up. It's a little noisy. Well, it all seems like it operates. No added fuel, nothing. That's amazing to me. Shut her off. These 7.3s, they're pretty awesome engines. Now, you want to keep up with us. I have an idea for this. I'm not going to use it as a truck. We're actually thinking about making it into a pretty awesome tilt deck trailer. So please like and subscribe. I think what we're going to do is take the cab off, take the engine, transmission, everything out, leave the pump set up, and we'll show you how it progresses, because it's got the hydraulic winch, it's got everything in there that we're going to need.